Hello guys! Today we're taking a look at the Viture Beast XR Glasses. And honestly, they're the kind of gadget that instantly feels futuristic the moment you put them on. They look sleek, lightweight, and within seconds, it feels like you've stepped into your own private mini cinema with a floating screen right in front of your eyes. What makes them impressive is how immersive the display feels. Movies, games, and even simple phone content suddenly look bigger and more exciting, with bright colors and smooth clarity that work perfectly for indoor viewing. Comfort is also a strong point. They sit gently on your face, so longer sessions don't feel heavy or annoying. Of course, there are small quirks. The fit can depend on your head shape, and sometimes you need tiny adjustments to get the perfect viewing angle. But once you dial it in, the experience feels effortless. Overall, the Viture Beast XR glasses are a fun, portable way to enjoy entertainment anywhere, giving you that cool blend of convenience, immersion, and everyday practicality. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.